Hello artists, welcome to online learning. I will be your teacher in the spring, and I'm new to online teaching, so I really appreciate you being with me and having confidence in what I can bring to you. I am a practicing artist. I have been exhibiting my work and selling my work and winning grants and fellowships for many years. And I have been teaching full-time at Seattle Central for longer than you've probably been alive. And this is an adventure for me, as it probably is for you. And I am looking forward to learning right alongside you. I am looking forward to learning new technologies to bring information to you. I am used to, sure, doing PowerPoint, but most of my teaching happens face-to-face at an easel or a horse bench, helping a student master the skills that we will be practicing this quarter. I've already started getting together a whole bunch of videos and lessons for you, and I want to encourage you to reach out to me during drop-in sessions, and anytime you are not certain about what you're doing, look at the first page, our home page. The welcome tells you where to find information. So on the pages I have documents that have a compilation of videos, and I have also documents that have information, and then on our assignments I have a lot of links, and I have lectures and demonstrations. So hopefully between all of those things and you texting me or FaceTiming with me or dropping in to our open sessions, we will be able to have maybe even a more interactive situation than normal. Normally in a class, I have 25 artists and the class is tiered, so while I'm dealing with first level students, I'm dealing with second level and third level at the same time, and sometimes I get caught up with one level more than the other. So maybe this will actually be even better. I am going to sign off with this hello and open up the kit so you can see what's in the kit. A word of warning that not all my kits had everything in them. I trial run everything before I asked students to purchase them, and Dick Blick hadn't gotten all the materials or their act together in time. And I've listed how to order your kit. You can call and just go and pick up, or you can call and you can have them ship it to you. That's how I got my kits. Remember, this is asynchronous. Typically the classes run, they're listed in the catalog, and I've listed what hours the classes are at. So that's when I will be available. I'll be here in the studio, right next to the art materials. So if you have any questions and you're like, oh, I'm not really sure I understand how to do this or whatever, we can FaceTime it and I can show you with the same materials that you have. So double check and make sure that all the stuff that you ordered in your kit is in there. And so let's take a look at what those kits have.